Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson on the platform ISIFE EDUBLOG. The English teacher Martin is your guide, and we shall be looking at the markers. The markers. What do we mean by the markers? We say the markers are the syllables used to show plurality of nouns or singularity of verbs and past tense of verbs. Alright? The morphemes S or ES or ED, alright, we use to indicate that a verb is in the past tense, a noun is in the plural form, or a verb is in the singular form. They are called the markers. Now, we've split the topic into two so that we now have the plural marker, which we explained to be the S or ES used to show that a noun is plural or a verb is singular. So we have nouns, caps, shirts, mangoes, boys, churches. Verbs: arrives, closes, fries, kicks. What is the import of this topic? As I pronounce, you may have not noticed the differences in the words I've chosen here. And that's why we're studying this, so that we help you understand what actually happens. Here is caps. The S is S. Here is boys. The S is Z. How can you know when to pronounce S and when to pronounce Z, since we are looking at S as the key of the marker? That is the question. That's why we have tagged the subheading here, realization of the plural marker. That is pronouncing the plural marker. Now, the plural marker is realized in three ways. The plural marker is realized in three ways. One is S, two is Z, three is is. You see it? Caps, boys, churches. Arrives, closes, kicks. Now, number one, realize the plural marker as S. It comes after a voiceless consonant. Not all voiceless consonants anyway. Mostly the plosives. Alright? Not the fricatives or the affricates. Now, look at what we mean. Ka, ta, pa. Alright? These are, okay, this is a fricative that will behave that way. So these are plosives. And when they come before the inflection S, they limit the S, making it to be sounded as S. They don't allow it to behave in a way other than it looks. So blocks, blocks, blocks. Cups, cups, 2 cups of rice. Chiefs, chiefs, chiefs. That's a fricative too, that behaves like that. Then mans, mans, and we have cats. So, you can see my transcriptions. The S in these words are realized as a S. This will be different when we look at the vowels. Alright? Number 2 is Z. Realize the plural marker as Z. It comes after a vowel or a voiced consonant. Of course, the verb comes, not comes, comes. Now, sometimes I walk past a barber shop and I see their signboard, and then some artists will write something like this. This is on English. I'm not condemning the artwork, but it is on English. It should be cats, alright? Cats. Because ta will not allow z, that is s, to be realized as a z. Okay, that's by the way. Now, we have examples on the board. We said after a voiced consonant or a vowel. Here is the word boy. B-O-Y. A consonant letter ends it, but the consonant letter is silent. It joins with the O to give you oi, alright? Which means the word boy ends in a vowel, not a consonant. Alright? Now, boys is a plural form, not boys. Please take note of this pronunciation. It is not boys. I saw 2 boys on my way here, not 2 boys. Eyes, not ice. Ice is I-C-E, ice cream. But the funny thing is that Nigerians pronounce this one as ice, ice cream, and this one becomes ice. No, this is eyes and this is ice, ice. Alright, so we have flies, flies, mosquitoes, mosquitoes, bees, bees, ways, cares, measures, rumors, rumors. Then we have girls. That is, these ones are vowels now, ending in vowels. These ones are consonants. Alright? Girls. The last word, the last letter before girls is L. So L is a voiced consonant. And so the S becomes a voiced consonant. Alright? A voiced consonant begets a voiced consonant. Remember that all vowels are voiced. And that's why the S that comes after the vowels in the plural form or the singular form of the verb is also a voiced sound. Z. Alright? Forms, songs, legs, legs, not legs, legs, calls, dabs, dabs, 1,000 dabs, according to Michael Lenz to rock, 1,000 dabs, okay? That was number 2, realizing the plural marker as z, when you see them after a vowel or after a voiced consonant. Dabs, calls, legs, songs, forms, chains, and girls. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 says, number 3 is actually is. Is. So we say, realize the plural marker as is if it comes after hissing sounds such as s, z, ch, j. Examples: lances, dresses, houses, causes, pauses, churches, punches, fetches, judges, badges, and cages. Is. Alright? That's it. The lesson continues on the past tense markers.